Unlocking English Prepositions, Mastering On, for Days and Dates. Hello learners! Welcome back to our series on advanced vocabulary. In today's video, we'll be delving into the fascinating world of prepositions, specifically focusing on the preposition on. We'll be talking about how to use on in relation to days and dates. This is a very common collocation pattern, and understanding this can greatly improve your English fluency. So, sit tight and get ready to learn how to use on like a pro. On is a preposition that we use in several different contexts. In relation to time, on is often used with specific days and dates. It's a small word, but don't underestimate its importance in English language. It's crucial to get this preposition right to avoid misunderstandings and communicate effectively. When we talk about specific days, we use the preposition on. For example, I'll see you on Monday. She was born on a Sunday. It is also common to use on when you are mentioning specific parts of the day that aren't morning, afternoon, evening, or night. For example, the event takes place on Christmas Day. We are having a party on New Year's Eve. We also use on with specific dates. This includes days of the month, specific dates, and holidays. For example, my birthday is on the 10th of April. They're getting married on July 4th. We go to our grandmother's house on Christmas Day. It's important to note that we don't use on when we are talking about months or years. For example, we say, I was born in April, not, I was born on April. While the rules mentioned earlier cover the majority of cases, remember that English is full of exceptions. One key exception is when we're talking about parts of the day. We don't usually use on with morning, afternoon, evening, or night. For example, I'll see you in the morning. She was born at night. Well, there you have it, folks. Now you know how to use the preposition on with days and dates. As we've seen, on is a small but mighty word that can help you specify exactly when something happened or will happen. Remember to practice using on in your daily conversations, and you'll be a master in no time. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!